Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to master the Media RSS widget on the TrouDigital Online Studio. To start, open up a creative. Then, head to the left-hand column and select the Media RSS widget. Click and drag it onto the design canvas. Then, resize it using the toggles on the corners of the widget, on the sides, or make it full screen by clicking the Fit button at the top of the studio. For the demonstration, we're just going to keep it in the middle to keep things clean. To change what's currently being shown on the Media RSS widget, select the widget and navigate to the Properties tab. Then, remove the URL that's currently there. Replace it with the URL that you want to show, and then click anywhere that's empty on the canvas or off the canvas. You can then see that the studio will update the Media RSS feed to show the one that you want to show. At the moment, you might realise that some of the elements don't look quite right. For example, the image looks quite squished. But with the Media RSS feed widget, it's not a problem. Everything is fully customisable and we can tweak things to make it look exactly how you want. To do so, double click on the widget and then double click on the element. You'll notice for each element that you double click, on the right hand side the properties are changing for what you can edit. For example, for this image, you won't want it to look squished. So if you select the image and then click Keep Content Aspect Ratio, you can see that it will serve the image in its native form. If we resize the Media RSS feed widget, we can see the image gets larger too. And if we move things about, we can make the image larger versus the text. And that goes for any other images that appear on the Media RSS feed. With elements such as text, you have all the usual options of changing the fonts. So if you wanted to change the font from Roboto to Demeanor, for example, you can see you can do that. And of course, you can change things like colours and boldness. For the time widget, you have a number of interesting options that you can explore. At the moment, it's just saying how many minutes ago the story was published. If you wanted to change it to something like what time it was published, you can do so by changing the format from the custom format that it comes with to one of your choosing. For example, this story was published at 12:52. And that's all there is to it. Being fully customizable makes this quite a versatile widget. Incorporating it into current designs or templates is usually quite a good idea. You can make some quite smart looking RSS feeds, and it's a great way to get some nice automated fresh content for your screens. By clicking preview in the top right corner of the studio, you can see how your RSS feed is going to look on your screens. If you give it a few seconds, you'll notice that the content will roll over from one story to another, and it sort of gives you an idea of how the content on your screen is going to be kept fresh and up to date. If you have any questions regarding the Media RSS feed widget, email support@troudigital.com. Thank you.